This is Biplab that I've been working in the industry for more than 20 plus years. My background is a master's degree in management, and I've been working here for more than 25 years here. My background mostly is into management consulting. I have been working mostly with tools related to Oracle, Manhattan, SAP, and other things mostly to the retail and manufacturing industry. So I consult clients, helping them solution things for 3 to 5 years, strategic planning, and then getting into more of implementation with various products. My goal was to move from the general process as how we solution things and move into more of how I can leverage Gen AI into this mix and expand on those growth areas. The best thing about this, what worked for me was getting into the weekends. I was able to invest time on the weekends for 2-3 hours. That really worked for me because I wanted that. I didn't want to disrupt my regular schedule. So that was something in my favor. The second thing was when I researched of doing this course, Simplilearn and Purdue University came up of the specialization course. I am very much aware of Purdue University. So with Purdue tying up things, and if I understand correctly, some of the course curriculum was constructed or designed based on some Purdue faculty and Purdue SMEs. So that helped me. I was happy to that extent where I could extract the information and pull it along. So that was good. Faculty was very knowledgeable. But again, in order to run a program with such specialization requires a lot of time, a lot of understanding, right? So faculty had their agenda that needs to be covered on a day. And we also, as students or who are learning these things, also wanted to learn certain things. So sometimes something slowed it down, something went faster, but at the end of the day, at least we got something to take forward. I won't say everything can be taught at this level, but at least if you have the right path or the tunnel from where you can at least look at the light and know how I want to proceed, I think that was something I was trying to achieve through this course, which I think I have it. But I won't say that I'm there yet, but I can at least take those information and move forward to expand my knowledge and apply it. I think I am confident right now to talk about this subject and how I can apply it, but I am not there yet with the hands-on everything to implement it. So I would need help from someone who has hands-on experience about deep learning, machine learning, and other things, right, from a development standpoint. But what I'm confident is I can definitely talk about it, connect the dots, and explain as what to do, how to do it, and what ingredients or what things needs to be included to get there. Well, I would say yes, when new things come in, do not be afraid to jump on it and try it out. Do not go to the extent that you will know everything day one. Talk to someone who has gone through this transition, how they have transitioned it. Learn the process as what I need to know first to get an overview rather than getting into every details. Then once you understand an overall understanding as how it works, then expand or select certain areas as where you want to expand your knowledge and further enhance that and see how you can apply it. Yes, definitely. Signing up to certain courses will definitely help. And that's the reason I think we all are expecting companies like Simplilearn or other companies would structure it more in a way where students can quickly join, take a 3-4 months course and get up to speed for expanding their knowledge. So I would say don't be afraid, try those things out. Everything, yes, you may try, may not work out the way you thought initially, but you learn different avenues, you learn different things. Based on that, I'm confident that whoever is a learner will be able to definitely come up, whether it's 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, should be in a better position to expand further and move forward with it.